So yeah, guys, my name is Kumar. You're watching me. Let's start today's video without having the further ado. So basically, this video is going to be the routine of 20th May 2025, and today is Tuesday. Basically, in this video, I'm going to share you like that what is actually happening in my throughout the whole days operating video and what is actually not happening. I'm going to share you, right? So yes, and this video is going to be routine of day 530, first days of routine video, right? So let's start. So first of all, today I wake up, right? Then we basically wake up very soon in the morning, right? Then after that I washed my mouth, then after that I had taken bath, right? Then after that, what is actually happened, I was totally ready to go. Basically I wake up at very soon in the morning, right? Very early morning I wake up, I washed my mouth, I had taken bath, totally ready because I want to go somewhere. I have to today, I have to go somewhere, that is to village with my jija, right? So basically I was totally ready to go there, but suddenly the rain starts, so that is why I was unable to go there, right? So basically this is the thing what has actually happened. Then after that the rain basically, then after that I ate food, right? And after some time later, the when the rain stopped, then after that me and my jija, right, went to the village, right? So after that I met with mummy as well as my mama, right? So and after some time later, um, we went somewhere regarding some work, right? And we came again village, and then after some time later, me and my mother and as well as my mama and jija went to the nani's home, right? Then after that we ate food, then after some time later, what is actually happened, we went for the sleep. So this is the thing what is actually happened, guys. I hope you have really understood this video. If you have really understood this video, then kindly please like it, because whenever you like some videos, it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos in a very continuous manner. So yes, guys, this is the thing what is actually happening today. So now uh, I'm going to revise the Companies Act 2013, the chapter, that is basically the basic thing what we have covered on the, if I tell you seriously, on the basis of member private company, includes one person company, small company, as well as other than OPC and small company and public company, on the basis of control, holding company, subsidiary company or associate company, on the basis of listing, that is a listed company, unlisted company, on the basis of liability also, on the basis of liability, limited by guarantee, limited by shares, unlimited, right? So yes, and other companies, foreign company, government company, section 8 company, producer company, statutory company, which covers in special act, right? Okay, now Companies Act 2013 contains 29 chapters and 7 schedules, 470 sections. Now characteristics of companies: separate legal entity, right? Legal person, artificial person, distinguished from the shareholder, own independent corporate existence. Limited liability, liability of members is limited by shares by guarantee. Perpetual succession, this will be continue, right? Company has its existence from the time of incorporation to winding up member death. Shares vest in his legal representative, insolvent shares vest in official receiver. Saying members may come and go, but company goes on forever, thus our company never dies, right? So separate property, company is having right to acquire and transfer property in its own name. Now fifth, uh, common seal, official signature of company, signed contract company, artificial person, right? So yes, guys. Now Companies Amendment Act 2015, as per the common seal, is optional, right? As per the common seal is optional as per the Companies Amendment Act 2015, right? Sign two directors or one director and one company secretary is mandatory. Basically company common seal is optional, and sign, there should be a sign of at least two directors or one director, one company secretary. Now sixth is transferability of shares. Public company fairly transferable, private company restricted transferable. Now seventh is capacity to sue and be sued. Separate legal entity. Salmon versus Salmon and Company Limited. Salmon and Salmon Company Limited. Salmon separate natural person, separate liability, separate property. Salmon and Company Limited, separate legal entity, separate liability, separate property. Okay. Now. Situation where court can lift corporate veil, right? Situation where a court can lift the corporate veil. Lifting of corporate veil. Why? First, we are just reading before situation, reading some common thing. Lifting of corporate veil, separate personality of a company, statutory privilege must be used for legitimate business. Fraudulent and dishonest use. Individuals concerned will not be allowed to take shelter behind corporate personality. Okay, court's actions. Court will break through corporate cell and apply principal doctrine which is called as lifting of or piercing the corporate veil, as if no entity is separate from its members. Now situation where court can lift the corporate veil, right? Protection of revenue, of course. Court ignore separate legal entity status of company where it is used for tax evasion or circumventing tax obligation. Second is determination of enemy character of the company. Determination of enemy character of company. Daimler Company Limited versus Continental Tire and Rubber Company Limited. During war, it may become necessary to lift the corporate veil and see the persons behind it to determine whether company is friend or enemy. Right. Prevention of fraud, where company is used for committing fraud or improper conduct. Protection of public company, the court shall lift. So first is prevention of fraud. Fourth is protection of public policy. The court shall lift corporate veil without any hesitation to protect public policy. Right. Now, company Meerschaum or clock. Guilford Motor Company versus Home, where company is Meerschaum and was really used for committing illegalities and to be defraud. Okay. Company Meerschaum or clock. Guilford Motor Company versus Home, where company is Meerschaum and was really used for committing illegalities and to defraud people. Where a company acts as agent of its shareholders. Where a company acts as agent of its shareholders. Avoidance of welfare legislation. Where company tries to avoid its legal obligation. Associated Rubber Industry Limited. To punish for contempt of court. Company cannot disobey the orders of the court. Therefore, person at fault should be identified. Company cannot disobey the orders of the court. Therefore, person at fault should be identified. To punish for contempt of court. Note reference. Okay. So let's revise again. Why situation where court can lift the corporate veil. Protection of revenue. Determination of enemy character of a company. Prevention of fraud. Protection of public policy. Company Meerschaum or clock, where a company acts as agent of its shareholders. Avoidance of welfare legislation. To punish for contempt of court. There is 8 points, but is actually so it has to be learned, right? So yes guys, this is the thing what has actually happened. So for today's video, I think that I discussed regarding the situation where court can lift corporate veil. It is the important topic. So yes guys, I think that it is all enough for today. So I should End the video. Okay, so let's end the video, guys. See you, Radhe. Bye bye.